So this is a continuation on the video series that I was threatening or promising you guys with. Simple 2001 Ford Focus. Start with the nose. Simple 2-liter. Nothing fancy about the car. Some aftermarket lights. Hi-C. I think it's 10,000 lumen 22-inch bar. Works really well for high beam. If any of you have been watching the series, beautiful battery, lithium, and let's see if it lights up. The sun isn't pleasing on it. It's resting at 13.5 right now. In the front of the vehicle, it runs through 4 300 amp breakers going through the car. Going inside the seats from the 2011 Ford Focus. 6.5s in the doors. An older Pioneer DVD screen. That secondary screen just ties into the main computer so I could diagnose and read the computer in the car. The controller for the bit one. Pair of Simple 10s. Gorgeous slotted port. Needs a little love, just freshening up. DVD screen, mostly for displaying the particulars of the car. Think of your placard. Highlighted in the carpet. T-Mini. Bit 1. Simple SS4A. Sub controller for where I want the source for the subs. Power inverter. 1 M4A on the top. Second one underneath. And the remainder of the bank of lithiums.